I've got Apple Watch Series 6 Nike version, and I'm going to unbox this watch, and we'll have a look together that how does this watch looks. And let's see, previously I was using Huawei G2. This is a good watch. I was really happy with this one because this one has a great battery life, 7 to 8 days, even though I'm using it daily basis. I'm going to open the Apple Watch Nike version, so let me unbox it for you. This is the watch we have. It's so heavy. Wow, I like it. So let me open this for you guys. Awesome. Oh my god, it turned on automatically. Maybe it has a sensor that whatsoever you take it out from the casing, it's protective casing, it will turn it on automatically. So here it is. We'll wait for the watch to boot properly, then we're going to proceed. Okay, so we'll set it up it later. It will take some time. Let me proceed with the box. What do we have in the box? So here are some, I think, some brochures or some instruction manual. It's there. I don't want to read it. And here is the charger. Yes, this is the charger for the watch. We'll check it later. Let me open the strap first. Wow, everything they have packed awesomely, really. See how you need to peel it off to open this. It's so easy to open and it's so premium. Anything inside? No. So these are the manuals again. Yeah, this is the box. Apple Watch Nike. Let me open this, and you have the instruction all over the place, and here are the straps. We actually ordered 2 gray straps, Nike one. So let me take out the first one, and let me just try to judge quickly the quality, and it looks awesome. Everything is perfect, and let's take out the smaller one first. It's awesome, man. It's awesome, really. So if I compare this with my GT2, hey you guys, see, the size is, the height is almost same, the strap length is same, but because this screen is more round in shape, so it does look little bit bigger in your arm. And if you are a round watch lover, then you can you'll be happy to use this one. But if you are obsessed with Apple like I do, then this is the one you need to buy. This is the awesome one. We will set it up later. First, let me just attach the straps with it. I'm not sure I'm attaching them correctly or no. Yes, I think so. Okay. Here you go. It's attached. And here we have the new iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific blue color.